Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how we are having the class with our student, and you can see how much they are enjoying to play the Baduk and how much they are excited to join the class. Okay, let's get it. One more time please. One more time. Slower. Not yet. Can you play slower? When you are focusing on your game, you guys are cool. So, oh, you to pass? Okay, wait a while. I want to tell you one thing. Just now there was an accident, right? By cutting. Actually, there was also cutting just now. Did you see that? Yeah. Yeah, finally, yeah. You found out. Okay, take away that stone first. Okay, Vaira, put it into the opponent's territory. Put first, and I'm gonna help you.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Wow. 45.
30, 40, 50, 60, 8 3, 4, 5, 68, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51분, 68, 12분. Actually, usually even you had a chance to kill this group. I'm not sure whether you know. Daniel made here before.
Yes, you can.
Yeah. Actually, Daniel knows that. If white, ban, black play, and you had a chance to kill. I think Daniel, when he plays here, he knows that, right?
Yes.
Yeah, he exactly knows that. Yeah, after that you disappointed. But actually, you even had a chance to kill that group. Many chances. Not just one chance. Okay, how was the class? Oh, you can feel they are enjoying the class, right? Right now, all the students have to wear the mask because of the situation. But in Hong Kong, already secondary school was started for a few weeks ago, and even primary school will start 15th of June. So the many people are willing to join the class already. So of course, before they have a class, they even have to wear the mask and they have to wash their hand with the alcohol. So everything we are caring a lot. So yeah, today I just could show you simply. Next time, if I have a chance, then I will show you more thing. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, everybody, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.